I have my 8 a.m. recitation and I'm late. That's fun. It's a 20-minute walk and I need to get food first and I'm like 25 minutes out, so we'll see how that goes. I will talk to y'all in a bit when I'm not rushing to class. Say hey.
Hi, how are you?
Who are you asking how are you?
I don't know. Who is this vlog to?
My YouTube channel.
Hi, YouTube. I hope you are all doing well. I'm dead.
Me too.
Don't you love it when you've been at a school for, what, 2 months now? Still getting lost. Thought I could take a shortcut somewhere. I don't know where I'm going anymore. So we're just gonna keep walking around and hope that it works out. Currently I am by the football stadium. Which side? Couldn't tell you. Where am I going? Not really sure. So we're gonna try to find an exit, start over, reroute, and then we're gonna go to the Math Help Center because yikes. Literally all I have to say about my math class is yikes. Okay, so I'm really bad with this whole vlogging thing because I forget to film stuff when it's actually happening. So it's like 10:30 at night right now. I still have some homework for one of my classes. I went to a deep stretching class with my friend Nora. It was really fun and it was like really good actually because we like got to de-stress and all that stuff. Came back, just chilled with some of my suite mates for a little. And now I'm gonna do this homework and then shower and go to sleep. So yeah. I think it's really funny that it's 11:45 at night and I'm sitting here eating popcorn in bed and Brooklyn's over there eating popcorn in bed too. But you know. Oh, I can't zoom in, but oh! Just the mood. Y'all, we have bad news. Natalie used straws. She adopted 2 turtles. And you wanna know how many straws she's used? 2. She is a murderer, a killer, and animal control, SPCA, the animal welfare, PETA, get her ass, put her in jail.
This is a PG vlog.
I'm sorry, PG, get her hiney and put her in jail. I'm done.
You're gonna have to bleep that out.
This is food.
That's not food. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amber. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Who's next?
Alright, so it's been a minute since I vlogged. This lighting is really weird because I genuinely have my lamp shining straight at my face, but it's fine. Did not do much today, just went to class, came back, and I'm about to start homework. That's a thing I need to do at some point. Okay, so yesterday basically I changed my major, not so I can pass fail my class, but that was a big part of why I changed my major. When I came into college, I started as a environmental health major, and I did that because I wanted to like work with people and deal with like medicine and like society on like, basically I want to go pre-med, and I did that because I thought it would help me and it would be like interesting and cool. But then I was looking through the classes, and there were only really like 2 classes that I actually was excited about, and those 2 classes I wouldn't even be able to take until my junior year. So went to academic advising because I was talking about classes for next semester, and she was like, well, do you like any of these classes in this major? And I was like, not really, no. So changed my major. I am now currently an anthropology major, and that might change because I just want to do medical anthropology, which isn't a major here yet, question mark. So we're gonna see what I can do with that. As of right now, I'm an anthropology major, and I took my Calc 3 class, pass-fail, because you don't need that to go to med school. Didn't know that. You don't need half the stuff in environmental health to get into med school. So we changed that real quick, and honestly, it's made me feel so much better because I'm not stressing about that class anymore, which if you talk to me, literally that's the only thing I would talk about is how stressed I was for my math class. So that's a good thing that I did that. I needed that for myself. And I just wanted to fill you guys in on that. Right now, I am kind of overwhelmed, and I don't know why. So I need to get my life together, figure out what I need to do, and maybe that'll help me like not feel so overwhelmed. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Okay, so we're in the middle of a hurricane, but I have this lovey, so, you know, it's fine. We got sushi nara. Oh my god, we got the same thing.
Except I got teriyaki chicken.
I got the sesame chicken. Nope, this is ginger chicken, but you know, I'm so hungry. Can we just take a moment? It is pouring outside. Fun fact, Hurricane Michael is passing through the Chapel Hill area right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but so that's what's going on. Give you guys a view of what I have to walk through to get to my next class. Oh my god. Wish me luck. I'm putting my phone away because it will get water damage from this rain. Oh, my mom just sent me a surprise package. She got me this for my brothers. And then, okay, Allie's on the floor. I'm gonna cut.
Allie's naked.
I'm not. I'm wearing pants. Not really, kind of, but it's fine. And then she got pajamas for me and my sweet mates to share. That's really cute. This is Allie. I don't know if y'all met her.
Hi.
It's pouring outside, so we're just not wearing our wet clothes. It'd be like that sometimes. 100 something.
Wait, do you want to help?
Y'all,
I think a virtual tour of North Carolina of UNC. I get paid $100.
Oh no, I'm gonna do that and then
follow
get
me on
$100 for myself.
Snapchat.
Well, you can't do it. I was hired.
You were hired.
I was kidding, not do that.
I have no idea. Go quit playing.
We're just friends.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Since there's another look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh. Why can't we be friends when we are lost? Still always inside.